Our vision and mission has not changed a bit from day one. From last 15 years, we are striving to offer the best quality products, best services in car detailing industry. To fuel this, we keep on innovating the products time to time. Be it a steam cleaner in 2007 to our latest bringing of graphene ceramic coating. This is what we want to achieve, or this is our mission. We strongly believe serving the end customer, the car owner, with honest pricing, honest policies and honest products. In addition, our goal is to create a community of educated detailers who in turn will educate the end user, create market awareness to deliver the best quality services and products at honest pricing. So if you have passion for cars and looking to enter this thriving business of car detailing, we invite you to join our ever-growing CarzSpa franchisee network family. We strive hard to make you successful and achieve your dreams in car detailing industry. Join us and become a successful detail pruner. Happy detailing.